A few things that differentiate us from our competition are simply our size. And with the size of our company, we have project engineers, project managers, project accountants. We have our own installation crews with an OSHA 30 trained foreman on every job. We have our contractor's license in many states. We have so many things that our competitors don't have. Insurance, we go above and beyond on our insurance. So all this is set up to make the customer experience better. And that's what happens. You know, our motto, we got this, we got this. And I use it every single sales call. I tell the customer all about all these things and that we have that are different than our competitors. And at the end of it, I say, we got this. You don't have to worry one more day once you give me this order.